blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend to slide through on the low, on no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. We are here with Unice hair, and today I'm going to be installing their Wear and Go Glueless wig. Yes, I said it, Wear and Go Glueless, meaning you do not need any lace glue, lace adhesive. Take it out of the box, put it on your hair, and we ready to go. Okay, so let's get into the details. This is a 24-inch straight hair unit. It comes pre-plucked, and the knots are super duper small, so you don't need to bleach it. It does come, what I say, pre-plucked. It comes pre-cut. Yes, they cut the lace for you. It also comes with a security feature which helps grip the wig to your head so it ain't gonna go nowhere. And it also comes with an elastic band, which is also gonna give you that bomb glueless effect, and it is adjustable so you can tighten it or loosen it to your liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the unit, and like I said, I went ahead and adjusted the band, and then I'm just throwing that hair back, and we're gonna fix the closure section of that wig, and it lays so freaking flat. Y'all, look at the pre-plucked hairline. Look at that. Also, I love how it fit on my head. It was very snug. I just know this wig ain't going nowhere. This ain't flying off at all. Okay, but this is the overall view of the unit. I'm not washing or conditioning this unit or straightening it. We gonna see if she gonna fall off, and baby, she ain't going nowhere, y'all. But I tell you, it's on there good. She good. We're going to go in with Red by Kisses Lace Tinting Spray. I am in the shade medium dark brown. As you guys can see, the lace has a white undertone or type of cast to it, and you do not want to be going out in these streets looking like that. So you're going to take a foundation or a concealer of your choice. Make sure it's a shade or two darker than your skin complexion, because I feel like it just makes your lace look invisible and it just blends in 20 times better. So this is what it looks like once I fully tint that lace. I'm going to allow it to dry, and then we're going to put that bad boy back on our head. This is what she looks like, and like I said, y'all, what lace, okay? What lace. Now, it does come with a middle part, so if you are a newbie and you don't know how to part in the center of your head, it does come with a middle part. However, we do have different head shapes and sizes, so the part may or may not be a little bit crooked. So if you just take your comb and center it in the bridge of your nose, and you just, follow the comb all the way back to where the part stops, you should be able to get a crispy middle part. That's the tip and trick that I use to get my middle parts to be a little bit, directly centered with the middle of my head. But now I'm just going in lightly to hot comb the hair. I love the density of this unit. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It is perfect, y'all. It lays super duper flat. I'm just gonna go in and trim up the lace. I chose to do this because all of the lace wasn't laying super duper flat, so those parts that were sticking up, I just got rid of it, and it made a big difference in how it laid. Look at that. I'm going in with my cream foundation. This is in the shade, in the level 13. I'm normally using the shade level 12, but I feel like going the shade darker as well just makes the wig look a little bit more natural. I like it. And if I feel like my part is too wide, I just take this tinting spray. I will list it below because I forgot the name of it, but I just take this spray to close up the part so it won't be, part in the Red Sea, because But I am sticking my comb in to show y'all I haven't melted it. Y'all, this is a glueless wig, and my comb wouldn't be able to go through if I had that melted, okay? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some wax on the hair lightly. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some bumps towards the front section of this unit. I feel like it helps frame my face better. I don't like when everything is just flat and it lays against my face. I don't feel like it complements it. So this is what I choose to do to add a little bit of personality to the unit as well. I also use my Sebastian hairspray to hold it because, you know, the wax is not going to sit it up there in place. So I do need to go in with a stronger hold hairspray to keep that bump towards the top of the wig. So now I'm going in with some mousse. I know y'all probably say, what is you doing? I don't know. I just wanted the lace to melt and be a little bit more invisible. So I'm just going to add a little bit of mousse to that. And then I'm going to add my elastic band. And I'm just going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic band. And I'm just combing out the hair. And I know y'all thinking like, I thought she said you didn't have to use no hairspray or anything like that. Baby, you do not. That step was optional. I just felt like it just helped everything melt a little bit more. I'm going to run my comb through your hair, y'all. And look, it's not melted down. It's not glued down or anything. Y'all see? So anyway, I'm just going to take some more hairspray and then push the hair back. I want this part to stay in place. So look at that, y'all. That looks so good. It looks amazing. And it's glueless. I'm putting my comb through there again because y'all be thinking I'll be lying. It's underneath that lace. Okay, under. So this is how the look turned out, okay? I didn't put no baby hairs or anything on it. I just left it as is, and I felt like this is very beginner friendly. Y'all, I didn't even straighten the wig with my flat iron, but you can straighten it if you want. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this unit. Like I said, this is a straight hair unit, so I wanted to see what it would give if I added some curls to it. So I'm just using my cheek curling iron, and I'm actually just going in to curl it. Now I know the way I edited the video, it looks like this curling iron curls very quickly, but you actually have to hold each curl for 30 seconds, and then it will prompt you to release it. So don't be fooled about how I edited, because I just didn't want to be sitting here all day. So this is what it looks like. One side curl, one side not, okay? And then I ended up doing the other side off camera. So we just gonna lightly comb through it. And that is gonna be this video. I was impressed, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I did not think this unit was gonna hold a curl. I thought as soon as I went to the other side to curl that side, the curls was gonna drop, and baby, they was in there, okay? It took this hair a long time actually to drop, which like I said, again, this wig exceeded my expectation. It just did. I was not expecting this wig to do as it did. And like I said, I did not do any bleaching. I didn't do no plucking. I didn't do any of that. No lace spray or nothing is on this wig, okay? I'm gonna lift it up towards the end, so if you guys think I'm lying, I ain't lying. But y'all, this is truly the definition of a wear and go glueless wig. Of course, like I said, you don't have to do all the hot combing and stuff either. You can literally wear it at the packet and add mousse to it, to the top to lay your wig flat if you don't have a hot comb and stuff like that. This wig is very beginner friendly, and I will recommend it to everyone. This wig is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Unice, they did the dang thing with this unit. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and look, I'm lifting it up like, girl, are you kidding me? Yes, it's glueless all day every day. So until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.